Think like a proton and stay positive. With this, welcome to ATL St. Xavier's High School, Bharni, ATL Space Challenge 2021. I, Muskan Sahu, with my fellow companion Rishabh Mishra and DK Sahu, to have a research with on the space exploration with artificial intelligence and machine learning. So, from the ocean-like topic, we had decided that the research we are building should not only give the reference and knowledge but also gave us something like great information for the entire world. Hence, that's why we decided to have a research with biodiversity. Now, our problem statements are many people do not know how big of an effect animals dying out is there to habitat, while animals play a part in their habitat. And if they become extinct, they could affect other animals too and plants that live there. People produce a lot of trash and do not recycle, which is not good for the environment. And the animals and the plants all are living there. Because they already had built their homes. Uh, fuels from their cars and the factories are causing the greenhouse effect. So the polar ice caps are melting. Due to that, animals in the polar regions are losing their life because of the increasing in the water level and largely increases in the temperature. There are the people who don't know or care about these problems. Now moving ahead to the technical description. Big data analysis, orange data mining, AI module from ATL Lab St. Xavier's High School, Bharni, Bilaspur. Open source remarkable authorities, Encyclopedia, Google and Wikipedia. Now all the basic ideas about the tools and techniques that we used in this research. Visualize data models for plants, mosaic display, distribution plot, box plot, line plot, scatter plot, constant, tree. Now for the animals. Mosaic display, stochastic, gradient, descent, sleeve diagram, scatter plot, random forest, logistic regression, neutral network, K and N. Now Rishabh will continue the presentation.
Good morning. My name is Rishabh Mishra. Now it's time to tell the testing and application with datasheets. The datasheet we had created has information from the open sources which gives satellite data and it has good accuracy of being correct. We visualize the data using various models and it's also predicted about the existence of species. The datasheet we had created has the information regarding plants and animals. We had also drawn some of the statistics that tell that even the species can have that enough capability to survive or not using natural factors. We hadn't taken here about the activities like poaching and hunting. Hence, because if we don't do these type of things, then truly there may be some of the chances that it will gone, and if it will gone, it never come. The data sheet we had first gathered firstly by gathering all the data and then by applying it in AI software. Each record of datasheet represent place, ideal and living temperature, humidity, etc. Now the conclusion of all of our research by Dikesh Kumar Sahu. Thank you.
A very good morning. As the main aim of our project is to predict that whether the species have enough potential to survive in the natural factor, they are living but they do not contain extinction from the activities like hunting, exploiting, poaching, etc. The predicted data has been given on the screen which shows the current condition of the species from various visualized models. Hence, the main effort we made is just to create an earth with full of glory and natural habitat. So not only we but also our successive generation can have that chances to see them and predict them. Thank you.